Hi everybody, Deborah Dickinson here and Travels with Dottie, also known as my friend Rob, here.
Hey everybody, welcome.
Yeah, we're so glad that you're here today. We are about to announce the winner of the book giveaway, my last one that we did. And actually today we have a surprise. You want to tell them what the surprise is?
The surprise is
Don't tell who yet.
No, I'm not who, but
Okay.
we're going to give away two instead of one.
We're giving away two. And the reason is, I've slept a few days, but I think since I announced the book giveaway, but I think the instructions were to subscribe to all the channels that were listed and then hop over to Travels with Dottie and leave a comment.
Right.
But it was supposed to be a comment about the book giveaway.
Yes.
Anything to do with the book giveaway, whatever you wanted to say. And we only had 2 people that hopped over to do that, so we're going to give you both a book.
Both of them.
Yeah, you want to tell them who it is?
I want to tell them who it is. It is going to be Sybil and Crystal. And Crystal's YouTube handle is Crystal and La Gringa.
The name of her van.
Right. And Sybil's is Sybil C. Wickla 7585.
Yeah, so you two, Sarah and Sybil, not Sarah.
Crystal and Sybil.
Crystal and Sybil, Sarah. Sorry, you two, Crystal and Sybil, please email me at deborahdoesrvlife@gmail.com. Let us know which book you want and in what format. You can get any of my books that you want. So happy shopping and thank you for joining in on the book giveaway.
And Sybil and Crystal, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me.
Absolutely. Thank you guys. We'll see you down the road and keep on keeping on.